obviously. Morning, guys. It's about, I don't even know what time it is yet. It's about 3:48. We just pulled into the first spot of the morning. It's Youth Day here in Maine, May 1st, 2021. We're excited. We're hopefully trying to get my little brother his first bird today. It's been a roller coaster month of April and May. Just work has just been crazy and whatnot. But Logan and I have been really hitting the woods these last few weekends and after work, and we've really spotted some birds in this area. We've got a lone bird right down the street from the spot. So if we don't hear anything here right off, probably about 6:30, we'll probably pack up. And we've got 2 spots within a half a mile that we know there's birds. But hopefully get him his first bird. So stay tuned and let's get into some action here today. To the backside of this property, there was absolutely nothing up there. I just hit my gobble call about 20 yards back this way, and it wasn't a full gobble, but it sounded like a jake or something just on the backside of this field. So we're gonna give it a call on the slate call and see what we can make happen. Bird just hammered on the backside.
It sounded like he was.
Just if we can close the gap, we could kill that bird.
I think we go up the rock wall.
Yeah.
We go up, stay tucked inside so he can't see us.
Mind games with him is my thing, and then have him come this way, and then if we can get up here about 20-30 yards again, because if he is close the distance, he's not going to close all the way this way. He could close there quicker. Did you hear that gobble? Ready, so.
Yeah.
That was further off.
Sound like a jake though.
Gobbled again. That's a jake. But the other one, that fired off. Get your knee up. Dude, there's 3 of them. 3 of them fired off, man.
Past that.
We were at the property I shot my bird last year. I don't know if Logan will put that in the video or not, but we went there trying to strike a bird that the people who hunted there this morning said there was one down back. I had called one in there earlier last year about this time, but as we get down to where that bird came in last year, the spot we went first thing this morning, because the homeowner told us he's been seeing this bird around 7, he just texted us and said, huge bird strutting in backyard by himself, gobbling at everything that makes a noise. So we quickly ran to the truck. We're back in it. We're about probably 15 minutes away from that spot, and he's right behind the guy's garage, heading down into the guy's food plot. So we're hoping we can get there. We're going to strike a crow call first thing as soon as we get out of the truck to make sure he's within the area still, so we can make a game plan.
You ready?
Yeah.
You ready to put this gobbler down?
Uh-huh.
What do you want to bring for a decoy setup?
I think just bring a hen.
Just one hand?
Yeah.
Is that the field right there?
Huh?
Is that the field right through that opening?
Yeah, we gotta keep cutting that way. It's still a little ways, but not too far.
A little cut right at
Yeah.
the end?
All right, guys, we just went down through Gary's property here. Like Sean said, he had a really big gobbler right behind his garage, so we quickly jetted over here and like basically not run, but we slowly worked through, called, and
Had a little front come through.
yeah, it looked like it was gonna pour on us. It got black clouds and it got really, really windy, so it was hard to hear. So I'm not sure if we missed our opportunity on this bird, whether he moved over to the private side over here or where he went. So we're gonna head back to the truck and try to figure out where we're gonna go next. We've got another property that we actually gained permission during I think it was like the last 2 weeks of April. So we might take a drive out there, check out some of those fields, and come up with a plan. So the day is young. And we're gonna go after him, so stay tuned.